And now, do you want to paint a snowman? I bet you do. I'm so excited to show you how to paint a snowman. For this, I have loaded my brush with creamish color by mixing peach and white. We're going to paint three simple circular shapes. We have finished our head and now moving on to the body. I just want to add some water and maintain the transparency and keeping the wash very light. The circles need not be very perfect. It can be wonky. If you have noticed, I have used a warm tint because I want the snowman to have that warm vintage feel to it, unlike the frosty blue ones with a cool tint. But it's totally your choice to keep it warm or cool according to your preference. Okay, now it's time to accessorize our snowman. For that, I'm drawing a line across the snowman's head to add a hat. The head part of the snowman is still slightly wet, so it adds nice fuzzy texture, looking like a woolen hat. I love how watercolor do its magic at moments like these. Next, I'm going to paint the scarf around the neck, just a little curve. And since our bottom layer is still wet and we are getting that fuzzy texture, and it really works for us, so I can add some movement in the scarf. Next, we are going to decorate our snowman by adding some foliages. You can paint different kinds of winter foliages. You can switch between reds and greens to add variety. I find it really relaxing, especially painting these festive foliages, and it gets me into the holiday spirit a lot. These branches are looking so pretty, and now I'm going to add a couple of leaves to our snowman. And you can add some contrast by adding a darker color to the leaves. And now I'm adding a couple of berries. I just love how adding these berries made a motif more festive. And now we can add the features to our snowman. And I'm going to paint a long pointy triangle at the center of the face and then add a couple of tiny circles for the eyes using black. And then let's add some blush to the cheeks using pink. And I'm gonna come along with my thin brush and paint little details on the hat. Just some simple stripes, and I'm going to do the same for the scarf to make it more interesting and defined. And you can add some fringes at the ends of the scarf. And now it's time to add arms to a snowman. I'm using my thin brush and I'm using black. You can use the tip of your brush and paint these stick arms with some tiny little branches at the ends. And now let's finish our snowman motif by painting some snowflakes around the snowman. With few simple steps and adding pretty foliages, we were able to create this beautiful snowman motif. And here we are, our cute looking snowman.